Kumusta ka na?
Bien, good.
Okay.
Because I just finished Spanish class. It's still in my email.
Spanish ka.
I was about
Bueno
to
po.
reply you in. I was about to reply you in Spanish.
Okay. Buenos
Mabuti.
dias. That's how you say it.
Yes. Opo. Mabuti ikaw?
Okay lang ako. Ayun. Kakauwi ko lang ulit. You forgot. Kakauwi ko lang. I just got back home.
Ah,
I'll type that. I just got back home. Or it also means I just got back.
opo.
Kakauwi ko lang. Kakauwi ko lang.
Okay ko lang.
Ano na ang mga ginagawa mo? Okay. Ano ang Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah, what? Sorry.
What are you doing?
Well,
Doing. Guna mo means doing, right?
that is ano ang ginagawa mo? What are you doing? What I'm asking is, ano ang mga ginawa mo? Like, what have you been doing?
Oh, did I memorize? You can use to other student of yours, like maingay, right? Maingay.
Maingay, yeah, like that.
See,
So-
that's kind of funny way I memorized. Like the main gay is noisy or loud.
Okay.
To associate, it
Yes, okay.
doesn't make any sense in English, but just to memorize the word or
Okay.
to
So you're
remember.
more focused on the vocabs, right?
Yeah, so
Okay,
far.
I get it. Well, same with me when I learn new languages. I'm more focused on the vocab. So okay. How soon do you go to the numbers? Do you learn the numbers like straight away, or?
Opo.
Okay.
Opo.
Okay.
Like isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Yeah.
Okay. Lima. Okay. Okay. So you only know up until lima.
No, anim,
Huh?
anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Okay. Okay. How about from 11? Do you know?
11 is kind of weird, like, what is it?
Oh, isang libo is 1,000.
Yeah. Now I'm mixing because practice with only one teacher. She asked me random numbers. I have to translate into Tagalog.
Okay.
That's
So we start with this. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to look at the list. My list here. Hold on a bit. Okay. Okay. So we go from 11. Labing isa. That's 11.
Yeah. I remember now. Labing isa, labing dalawa, labing isa, labing dalawa, labing tatlo, labing apat, labing lima, labing walo. Oh,
No.
sorry. Labing anim.
Tama.
Labing anim, labing pito, labing walo, labing siyam, labing no. Dalawang po.
Tama.
Dalawa po.
So 20 dalawampu.
Dalawang po.
So to start from or very easy. Even Google Translate can teach you that. When it comes to numbers, Google Translate always can make it right. But anyway, here it is. So 30. Do you
30 is isa, dalawa,
Yes.
tatlong po.
Tama, tatlong po. Now 40.
40 is apat na po.
Apat na po. Yes, tama. And then you say 21. It's dalawamput isa, dalawamput dalawa, dalawamput tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo.
Same. Yeah, it's like
Tatlongput isa,
Mhm.
dalawa, apat na put isa, apat na put dalawa. I'm sure you can guess what 50 is, right?
50, yeah. Limang po.
Limamput. And then for 6, siyam.
Siyam po.
And then 70, pitomput. Dalawamput.
Tatlong po.
And then, hold on my list. So yeah. And then 70, pitomput. And then of course, and then siyamnaput. And then for 100, do you know what?
Daan.
Isang daan, tama. And isang
Daan.
daan. Yeah. And then if you want to say 101, isang daan at isa. That's it. Daan, isa. And then it's pretty much like that. Isang daan at isa.
Actually, learn, but because lack of practice, that's why getting confused. Yeah,
Okay. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Isang daan, dalawang daan, tatlo, apat, limang daan, anim, pito, walong daan. For 1,000.
If you know the rule.
Yeah, I remember you said that, right? 1,000. Do you know that?
Libo.
Yeah, isang libo, dalawang libo, tatlo, apat na libo, lima, anim, pitong libo, like that. So I think you know that already. Of course, I'm sure you can count like for example, 1,500, right? You know that? It's isang
Libo.
libo at limang daan.
Isang libang daan, 500. daan,
Yes.
liman daan,
Yeah. Tama.
liman,
Tama.
liman,
Say 1,621. 1,600.
daan, 600, anim, 1,600.
Wait. Mali. At first, you
Isang
said
daan,
isang daan at first. You said isang daan. That's 100.
isang daan,
You said isang daan.
sorry, isang libo, anim na daan,
Tama.
dalawang po, isa.
Tama. There you go. So, okay. I think you know the numbers. Yeah, all you got to do is just go through all this, just, reread them and you're all good. Very easy, super easy. Now, usually when you go, yes, I also want to know when you go for the vocabs, when you learn other languages, which type of vocabs do you always learn? Which type?
Like most common use 50 or 100 words, like in daily basis.
Daily basis. Okay, daily basis. Okay, let's go for have you learned? Of course, we've learned before. Like, do you know how to speak? Let's say Tagalog. Do you know how to speak English? Do you remember them?
In English, you mean?
Like for example, do you know how to speak English? Do you know how to speak Tagalog? Have you went through that?
No.
Oh,
What
okay.
was that?
Okay. Sige.
Ah,
Sige ta. So yeah, it's one of the important words. You say, marunong ka ba mag-English or Tagalog? Do you speak English? Marunong ka. You can say marunong ka. Marunong ka mag-English. You can either say marunong ka ba mag-English or marunong ka mag-English, So like that, marunong ka mag-Tagalog. And then I say marunong ka mag-Arabic.
Opo. Marunong ka mag-Arabic. Marunong ka mag
No, to say I know how to speak Arabic is marunong ako mag-Arabic.
marunong ako mag-Arabic.
Yeah, tama.
Marunong-
Excuse that.
Walang problema.
Marunong ako mag-Arabic. Okay. Okay, saan? Alam mo ba? Okay, do you remember what is alam mo ba?
Alam mo ba?
Alam mo?
No. Saan is where, right?
Yeah.
Alam mo ba? Alam mo.
Here.
Alam is to know.
Yeah, to know.
Alam mo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what is ano ang?
Ano ang, yes. What is, ano ang, right? What is.
Yes, what is ano ang? Ano ang? What is? Okay. So, okay here. Saan ka nag-aral? Alam mo ba ano ang nag-aral? Saan ka nag-aral?
Nag-aral to learn.
Yes. So,
Saan ka? When?
Yeah.
Where did you learn?
saan ka nag-aral ng Arabic?
When did you learn Arabic?
Where did you learn?
Sorry. Where did you learn Arabic? Saan is where, yeah.
Saan ka nag-aral ng Arabic? Try to respond in Tagalog.
Opo.
So you say, I study.
Okay. Mag-aral ng Arabic sa Jeddah.
Okay. Okay. Ako ng Arabic sa Jeddah. Okay. There you go. I studied Arabic in Jeddah. Nag-aral ako. So study is I mean aral means to learn or to study. To learn or to study. That's aral. Nag-aral. So nag-aral ka ng Arabic sa Jeddah. Okay. So saan ka nakatira ngayon?
Nakatira ngayon?
Okay, nakatira.
Ako ay nakatira sa Jeddah.
Jeddah. Okay, sa Jeddah ka ngayon. And then try to reverse or roll. Ask me the question like the language. Marunong ka mag what language do you want? Okay.
Okay.
Tanungin mo ako means ask me. Here, ask me. Tanungin mo ako. Tanong to ask.
Marunong ka mag English?
Oh. Marunong ako mag-English. Okay, now what's next?
Okay. Saan ka nag-aral? Serbian?
Saan ako nag-aral ng Serbian? Okay. Nag-aral ako ng Serbian sa YouTube.
Ah,
Sa YouTube. So,
maganda.
yeah, nag-aral ako ng sarili ko sa YouTube. Okay,
Sarili ko?
sarili ko means by myself.
Ah,
Myself. Sarili
magaling.
ko.
Magaling.
Ah, nag-aral ako ng sarili ko sa YouTube. Ayun, yan, YouTube.
Magaling.
So, ayun. Ayun. So, nasaan ka ngayon? I mean, nasa bahay ka ba? I mean,
Opo, ako ay sa baha na yun.
okay, it's bahay. Okay, I'd like to make a correction. Here's a new bahay. Bahay is house. Here's a new vocab because if you say baha, that means flood. Baha.
Sorry.
Baha means flood. Bahay means house. There you go. So yeah.
Yeah, by making mistake, I've learned another
It's okay.
vocabulary. Now I've learned another vocabulary.
Okay, no problem. So, sino? Okay, sino means who.
Oh,
Sino. Sino. Sino ang kasama mo? Kasama means someone you're with. Someone you are with. Someone you are with or someone you're together with. Kasama mo. Did you say that? So, sino means who. Sino ang kasama mo sa bahay? Sa bahay, at home. At home. Sa bahay. Sino ang kasama mo sa bahay?
Okay. Kasama ako ng roommates.
Roommate. Roommate. Okay. Kasama ko. You say, okay, I'm with my roommates. Kasama ko ang, but because this is plural, so you will have to add mga roommate.
Mga
Roommate.
roommates.
If you want to say I'm with my roommate, of course, you just simply have to remove mga. Remove mga.
Okay.
Remove mga for singular form. Okay.
Roommate is acceptable in Tagalog, right?
Yeah. Roommate. So, ito pa. Meron akong tanong. Okay. Meron to have. Meron akong tanong. Okay. Tanong. Okay. Meron akong tanong. Tanong can also means question. Meron akong tanong. Do you know what that means?
You can. Do you have a question?
Yes, tama. Ang tanong ko ay, saan ka nag-aral ng English?
Where
Yes.
did you learn English?
Tama. Tama means correct. Tama.
Nag-aral English sa pelikula.
Pelikula. Okay, wow, galing. Pelikula, okay. So, nag-aral ka ng English ng sarili mo. Right?
Sarili mo is a movie.
And myself, sarili mo, yourself. Nag-aral ka ng English.
Can you write that word? Sarili mo.
Yeah.
It's important to myself.
So, you studied English by yourself.
I want
Nag-aral
to.
ka ng English sa sarili mo. Nag-aral ka ng English sa sarili mo.
Opo.
Yeah,
And-
it's sa sarili mo.
Okay, I have a question about queries like how to uses of paki, like please. I don't know how to use.
Please. You say pakisuyo, please, or you say
Pakisuyo.
okay, please.
I know just paki, but I don't know how to use it. Like paki.
You say fucky when you ask someone to do something. Like, for example, I'm asking you to turn off the light. You say, "Paki sara mo ng ilaw." Paki. You say paki when you're asking someone to do something.
Okay. But in Tagalog, it's always at the front, right? Not at the
Paki
end.
sara mo. But if you want to be more polite, of course, you say paki sara mo po. Mo po. Especially
I mean,
if you're
paki
talking,
at
older or-
beginning.
Yes, sorry.
At the beginning of the sentence, right? Always. Like English, we can use beginning or at the end. There's an option. In English, there is an option, but about Tagalog is always at the front.
The
This
which
paki.
one? Paki.
Paki.
Oh yeah. Paki is always at the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Get the point now because in English it's optional. please, can you do this for me? Or can you do this for me, please?
Okay,
It's
okay.
optional, right? In
Yeah.
English. But in Tagalog, is always at the front, right?
Yes, yes.
Beginning. Opo.
So, ayun. So, well, Paki, you use it. It is always on the beginning, Paki. And then you only use it when you're asking someone to do something for you.
Mm,
So,
okay.
yeah, sorry, what was your question again? I was
Yeah,
distracted.
that was the question. Like how uses of paki. Like
Yes. And your question
pwede,
was, is it always at the beginning, right?
opo.
Yeah. Yes, it is always at the beginning. Paki, like, okay, for example, can you prepare the dinner, you know?
Mhm.
Paki, Paki asikaso mo na ang panggabi natin, you know?
Mm. Can you write the sentence?
Ganun yung
please?
dinner natin, okay?
Paki.
Yeah, here. Can you prepare like that, right? Paki. Okay.
Opo.
There you go. So, and then if I want to ask you, can you check the time? Pakitingnan mo kung anong oras na. There you go. Can you check the time? Pakitingnan mo kung anong oras na. Pakitingnan mo kung anong oras na.
Okay. Paki.
There you go. So, ayun. Oh, okay. So, okay, okay, how about this also? Ano ang ginagawa mo sa Jeddah?
Ako, ako ang ginagawa mo sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Ang ginagawa ko dito sa Pilipinas ay nag-aaral ako sa college at nagtuturo ako sa italki. Nagtuturo, okay,
Teacher, right?
yes.
Teacher.
Yeah, nagtuturo ako. I'm teaching. Nagtuturo ako sa italki. I'm teaching in italki. Okay. Saan meron ka pa bang ibang platform na na ginagamit pang-aral sa English here? Okay, that's long, but okay, meron. Meron ka pa
what
bang
platform do
iba?
you use to learn English?
Yes. What other is iba? Iba. Meron ka pa bang iba here? Do you have other platforms you use when you learn English? Meron ka pa ba ibang form na ginagamit mo pang aral ng English? Once you know all these vocabs here, you will be able to catch this sentence easily. So, meron, of course,
Especially
of course,
the keywords.
Yeah, exactly. Tama. Of course, syempre means of course. Syempre, alam mo ano ang meron. Alam mo rin, you also know, alam mo rin ano ang iba. And gamit means you can say gamit, it can things you possess, gamit, or to use,
Things you possess.
to use. So you can also say gamitin as in to use. You use it. Ginagamit, you are using. So meron ka pa bang ibang? Do you have other ibang platform? Do you have other platform na ginagamit mo? Other platform you use pang-aral ng English, to learn English. Naiintindihan mo?
Opo.
Yeah, tama. So,
kung may gamit plataforma ginagamit pang-aral ng English
tama.
ay YouTube, Duolingo,
Duolingo.
at italki.
italki rin, okay. Okay. Sa paaralan, nag-aaral ka ba ng English sa paaralan? Paaralan is school.
Eskwela as well, right? School. And
You can say eskwela also. Eskwelahan, eskwelahan, school. I think that's also Spanish, right? Eskwela.
Opo.
Yeah. You can also say eskwela. Everybody says that, but everybody here says both, paaralan or eskwelahan. You can say. Nag-aaral ka ng English sa paaralan mo?
Opo.
Okay. Nag-aaral ka ba ng English sa paaralan?
Did you learn English?
Yes. Did you? Yes, tama.
Opo.
Did you learn? Okay.
How to say example?
Example? Like how to say nag-aral ka ng English sa Aralan?
Like example, for example, por ejemplo or para ejemplo.
Oh, you mean how to say example? That word example.
Opo.
Oh, okay. Okay. Here. It's an example. That is kunwari. Kunwari. Okay.
Kunwari. Okay.
Or you can say you might also hear people say halimbawa. You can.
Halimbawa. Okay.
The reason why it's also important for you to know this because people uses both. That's why you might know the word kunwari, but you might hear people say halimbawa. That's it.
I'll try which one is suitable for me to to remember.
Yeah, exactly. So there are many words here that
Kunwari, I think it's easier for me. Kunwari
Yeah.
is short.
yeah, exactly.
Kunwari.
Yeah, exactly. Tagalog has many words that
Mm.
has the same meaning, and you use it for the same case. Everything's just the same. It's like that.
Yeah.
So ayan, okay.
It's
Now
interesting.
try to reverse our role. Reverse.
Meron ka pa ba ibang platform na ginagamit mo pang-aral ng English?
Well, marami. Marami means many. Many. Marami. Meron. You can say meron to say there is. You can say meron to say there is, or there are. Or there are. Meron YouTube sa school rin, eskwelahan, o paaralan, o sa family member ko, o mga kaibigan kong foreigner. Kaibigan means friends.
Okay.
Friends. Kaibigan. There you go. Friends, kaibigan kong foreigner. Naiintindihan mo yon, kaibigan kong foreigner?
Opo. Foreign friend, please.
Yeah, foreign friends. Actually, to say foreigner is dayuhan. Foreigner. Dayuhan. But people always uses that for formal stuffs or professional stuffs like office, workplaces, or schools. Usually outside, like normally, like normal conversation, people would say foreigner,
Friends.
but the F is pronounced as P. Like for example, foreigner. Mga foreigner yan. Mga foreigner. Yeah,
Because that doesn't exist.
Yeah, exactly. As if the word dayuhan does not exist. So I also recommend you just stick to foreigner. That's it. Mga kaibigan kong foreigner. Kasi mga kaibigan ko rin foreigner. Marami, pelikula. Marami. Marami. Gano'n. Ilang taon ka na?
Ilang taon ka na?
Okay.
What's your age?
Tama. Ilan?
Ako ay 30 taon ka na?
Ako ay 30 taon na. You say ka na is when you ask someone.
Okay.
Kana is for when you ask someone. So you say ako ay 30 taon na.
Ako ay 3 taon.
30 taon.
30 taon.
Or you can say ako ay 30 taon gulang na. Ako ay 30 gulang na. Which means I am 30 years old. 30 years old. There you go. Ako ay 30 gulang na. So, reverse. Let's reverse roll.
Ilan taon ka na?
Ako ay 23 gulang na. Ako ay 23.
Ganda.
Maganda. Okay. So, this one is also interesting. Okay, how about this? Ano ang, of course, I know you know what is ano ang, right? What is?
Opo.
Ano ang ginagawa mo sa libreng oras mo? Libreng oras.
Libreng or free times.
Oh, wow, you know it. Okay.
Yeah, because it's another similar words of Spanish. So yeah, I get it.
Oh, you reckon?
In Spanish is libre.
Libre, free. Oh, wow. Oh, and I didn't know that was Spanish. Good.
Also, I get to catch a lot of words.
Okay. Okay. How about oras? Is that also Spanish or anything?
Exactly. Opo.
Oh, exactly. Oh, okay. Wow.
But the spelling is like this, horas, without with
Oras.
H.
Oh, okay. Horas.
No, H is silent. Always in Spanish, the H is always silent.
I get it. Horas.
That's why you've got the word, but you don't use H.
Okay,
you remove the H. Hospital,
Okay.
horas.
Wow. So okay, now I know that Spanish. Man, I use that word a lot. Libre, horas, and I have no idea this was Spanish the whole time. Okay. So
Yeah.
so ayun, ano ang ginagawa mo sa oras mo?
Ako ay mag-aral wika, wika.
Okay, nag-aaral ng wika.
At say watch.
Wait, sorry. What was the last thing you said again?
To watch.
To watch. Oh, okay. To watch is wait. To watch.
Panuorin.
Uh,
Panuorin.
It's like papanoorin is like going to watch. It's like that. It's like something that's going to happen. So here, to watch is manuod. Manuod. I'll just type it like this so that you will know exactly how it's pronounced. Manood. At manood
At manood pelikulas
ng pelikula.
ng pelikulas. At manood comedy videos.
Okay. Video. Okay. Okay. I have meron akong tanong. Meron akong tanong. Do you remember what is tanong?
Tanong. Wait, meron to ask.
Yes, tama.
Tanong to ask.
Meron akong tanong. Naiintindihan mo?
Opo.
Okay. Pwede, okay. Pwede mo ba? Okay, okay, pwede means you can interrupt.
Can you?
Oh, okay, oh, okay.
Can you?
You know. Okay, you can always
There's
interrupt.
another Spanish.
Oh, dude, that's another Spanish.
Opo.
Pwede. Oh my gosh. Okay, my gosh. Okay, pwede. Okay, pwede.
Pwede gusto as well.
Yeah, gusto. Okay. Pwede mo ba ako i-suggest ng ng Arabic na pelikula? Naiintindihan mo?
Opo.
Oh, sige. Okay. And then to say, I will suggest you. I mean, I have a suggestion for you. You say meron akong suggestion para sa iyo.
Okay, meron ako.
Wajda. Okay. Wajda.
Ang maganda pelikula.
Magandang pelikula to. Okay. Okay, tungkol saan ang pelikula na ito? Here. Tungkol means about or something about it.
Tungkol. Pelikula wajda.
Tungkol. Okay, tungkol saan ang pelikula na ito? Okay, what's this movie about? Tungkol saan ang pelikula na ito? Tungkol saan?
Like, you know, like.
Okay, very strict society. Masyadong mahigpit na sociedad. Sociedad.
Another Spanish word.
Yeah. This sociedad does sound like Spanish. Exactly, it does. I mean, by the accent, it does sound like. So masyado means very, very. Masyado. So here are more vocals. Mahigpit. Mahigpit can be used for tight or strict. You can use it for tight, like for example, your belt. You're wearing your belt. Your belt is very tight. You say, masyado mahigpit ang sinturon ko. You know, sinturon is belt.
Sinturon, another word for another Spanish word.
Oh, wow, man, I'm learning a lot of Spanish. Good, sinturon is Spanish. Okay.
By the way, the S, right?
So masyado okay, here. Masyado strict or tight. Mahigpit. There, mahigpit. You can say, masyado mahigpit ang sinturon ko. Like that.
Cinturon with S, right? Not with the C.
Cinturon. Yes, with S. Yeah, I know Spanish.
The C.
But in Tagalog, it's pronounced as S. Cinturon. Yan. So, yan. Okay, so, itong pelikula na to, ang tungkol dito means here. Of course, you know that. Ang tungkol dito ay, babae, you know babae, right? It means girl. Yan. Babae na nakatira means currently living, nakatira. Ang babae na nakatira sa masyadong mahigpit na sosyedad. Okay. Gusto niya, you know, she wants. Gusto niya magsakay. Gusto niya, okay. Because niya can be applied for he or she. She wants to bicicleta. Is that also Spanish?
Opo.
Okay. Yeah, I can tell. Gusto niya sumakay ng bisikleta. So, sumakay. Sakay means to ride. Sakay. That's not Spanish, right?
No.
No, okay. Gusto niya sumakay ng bisikleta.
In Spanish, it's manejar. Right.
Manejar?
Manejar or manejar.
Oh, okay. Manejar. Okay. So, gusto niya sumakay ng bisikleta. Pero, of course, you know, pero it means but, right?
But yeah, another Spanish word.
Yeah, I know. Pero in Spanish means dog.
No. Perro. It's perro, not pero. Pero is the same like Spanish means but.
Oh, Yes, to say but in Spanish is also perro. Okay.
Perro is a dog. Perro.
Perro is dog.
Perro.
It's kind of like double R.
Opo.
Man, I'm learning.
Perro.
Man, I'm learning a lot of Spanish. Goodness. So many things I say a lot. I had no idea.
Without knowing, huh?
You know, right? Goodness. It's good to know, really good to know. Okay. Okay. Gusto niya sumakay ng bisikleta. Pero, nakatira siya. Means she lives.
She lives.
Nakatira siya, she or he, but of course this is a she. She's currently living, nakatira siya sa masyadong mahigpit na sosyedad. Naiintindihan mo lahat?
Opo.
Okay.
Opo.
Lahat, yeah.
A strict society.
Yeah.
She's living.
Means lahat. Okay. Okay. I get it. So yeah, you might notice someone I make pauses, right? It's like I'm speechless. The reason is actually I'm like one of the most forgetful person you've ever met. Okay.
Oh.
It's like I have it all in my mind. And then I'm
Mm.
thinking, what was that again? What was that again? And then I gotta look on my phone. Oh my gosh, what was that?
You should use like a to-do list better for you.
Yes,
Just-
yes, I have my
just
to-do
remember.
list on my phone. Actually, I do have them on my phone. The to-do list. Goodness, they get mixed up with the used one and the not used one, and then sometimes I have trouble. Which one's the best, the most suitable? Also,
You
my
know, like how you should let the brain relax. You should everything your activities, your plans, your goals. You should write it down and let your brain relax.
yeah,
When you write it down, yeah,
yeah,
because you will get stressed otherwise. All the works, all like tasks will come in a in a like deadline. Then you will get stuck. So many like 5, 6 tasks will come to you in your deadline.
okay, I understand.
Yeah. So
But I mean, I'm actually going to look up that movie. Watch the. I did watch an Arab movie called Mosul on Netflix. You know that movie, Mosul?
no, I actually rarely watch like Arab movies. All my
Oh,
life I watched like movies from India
okay.
and Hollywood.
Okay, Hollywood.
Now
Yeah,
I'm watching
yeah.
Spanish. Now I just recently started Tagalog.
Well, Mosul is a war movie. It's about it's when Iraq finally.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's when Iraq finally liberated Mosul from ISIS.
Uh,
Yeah, Mosul. Yeah, it's a good Arab movie. Very good. I enjoyed it. It might be too harsh, too brutal, but it's very educative. I'm going to look that up. Watch that. Okay. Maraming salamat ulit. Oh, and
ano,
yeah. Okay. Okay. Ingat means take care.
ingat.
Bye-bye. Salamat.
Hanggang sa muli.
Okay. Bye-bye.